built. Remember my grandpa passed away and it killed my dad. I saw life as in promise, so I made a promise and I pursue my dreams no matter how they feel. They said that I can't, took out the T and to the T, I killed it. They sacrifices, always working OT. When they callin', I was feeling all eyes on me when I decided to step in the building. Fuck that radio music you listen to, I spit that real shit. In high school I was unpopular, never fit in with the cool kids. They were busy partying and making a bunch of excuses. I stood home building my craft, I had a dream I'm pursuing. It's hard to have these hopes and dreams, especially when I got